Guys, so I have made up this particular apparatus to run a test for immersion cooling. We have this mineral oil for testing purpose, a small fuel pump, and a car radiator with inbuilt heat exchanger. Then we have a water pump to basically circulate the water from top to bottom. Okay, so I have connected everything and I'm gonna heat up this oil and check its temperature, and then we will run this pump and the whole apparatus and see how much time will it take to cool down only half a liter of oil. So let's start our test run 1. Okay, now that the oil is cooled a little bit, let me check if I can touch it. Whoa, it's still hot, and I think I can touch it. Yeah, I can touch it, but it is hot. It is so very hot. Let me see the temperature gauge how hot it is. So you could see here. Just hold on for a little bit. Let's see. Whoa, you can see here the temperature gauge is not showing how hot it is, but it is showing that it's hotter than the maximum temperature it can measure. So basically I think it is hotter than 70 degree at least, because this temperature gauge can only take temperature till 70 degrees Celsius. So let's start cooling it. Okay, give me a second to set up everything. Okay, it's so hot. I wish the pipes are not going to melt. The container is also very hot. Okay, now let me switch on the apparatus. Okay, so let's see what happens. You can see here it's cooling, and let's see what happens. There is some air. It's still hot. Let's see how soon it will bring it down less than 70 degree. Whoa, see, 69.2 degree now. Let's see, 59.1, 10 degrees in just only 5 seconds. 54, 5 degree in 5 seconds. Another 4 degrees. I can feel the air. The pump is working. 48 degrees so far. 45 degrees. See, 44. Let me just place the camera somewhere. 43. Now the temperature delta is getting closer, so it's taking more time. 42. Going good. I'm loving it. 40. You have to go somewhere near to 35 degrees. Keep a temperature delta of 10 degree between the room temperature and the oil temperature. 39. Cool. So far so good. 38. Every few seconds 1 degree drop. 37. 36. And 35. So here it is. I think in less than a minute we got it from 70, more than 70 degree to 35 degrees Celsius.